Well, that was just a lie. That driveway didn't move at all. Lazy. I'm on my way to the Battleship Oregon Memorial in Tom McCall Waterfront Park along the Willamette River in Portland, Oregon. Well, I stopped here for the PEDs, but I didn't see any cage fighters, baseball players, or even Olympic athletes. What a bummer. Just this stupid looking percentage sign with an upside down mushroom. Well then, let's continue on. Ah yes, Tom McCall and Fall. This is the mast of the USS Oregon. The ship was used in 3 different wars. Commissioned in 1893, it first saw service in the Spanish-American War in the 1890s and played a major role in the Battle of Santiago, Cuba. It also played a role in World War I and World War II, as well as battles such as the Philippine-American War and the Boxer Rebellion in China. It was decommissioned and used as scrap in Japan in the 1950s. The mast and this chain were saved and preserved, and sent to its namesake state, to be used to make this memorial park. Chain links from the anchor of the Battleship Oregon, donated by the city of Yokohama, Japan, to the United States Navy, presented by the USN to the city of Portland, June 8, 1979. I have no idea what happened to that recording of my voice to make me sound like a dang robot. But yeah. So the final action this ship saw were World War II battles against Japan. And ultimately it was given to Japan years later when we were friends and allies. Well, that's pretty cool. Now, let's continue our walk in the park along the Willamette River. The Oregon Maritime Museum. Closed. Taken you here before. This is Mills End Park, the world's smallest park. Well, that does it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and come back often, because there's lots more good content coming. Have a good one. Once again, Mills End Park. Not quite Central Park or Point Defiance Park.